All right, we're gonna go see about getting some hot cocoa. Come on.
Horsey! A horsey!
A horsey?
Yeah.
Go on in, bub. You guys get special hot chocolates tonight.
I see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's coming.
I see it.
It's coming. Okay, they're very hot. That one's off a little bit.
That's mine.
Very hot. Hold on to it. I'll try it in a minute. Let me hold it.
Thank you.
Oh, yum.
Mom, what's this?
Quinny, you want one? It's a cherry stem. Isn't that cool?
There's cherry inside?
Yeah.
I've ridden a horse on his back before. Mine was like the craziest one. He was really out of control. Mine was like,
We are getting on a carriage tonight to go see all the lights. All right, guys. Scotty, what are we doing?
we are going on a carriage for our third or fourth time.
It's our second time. You were very little.
Actually, we went on this carriage 2 years ago when I was 4.
Mm-hmm.
So it's our third or fourth.
You having fun?
Yes.
Yes.
I want the horsey.
Yeah, we are with the horsey. Listen.
I love the horsey.
So magical. We've only done this in the summer, so it's nice to do it in the winter when we can see all the lights. It's gonna be so pretty. And all the people are out.
Mommy, right now we're a car.
There's the State House right behind us. So pretty.
There's windows. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yeah!
And there's the Arts Garden up there. There's a few lights in there this year. What'd you guys think?
What'd you think? Tell mommy what you thought.
Was it fun? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not even full. Okay,
Such a good adventure. It's a big step down. Woo, good job. All right, come stand over here.
It will really hurt if you like
Show mommy.
Be careful, don't trip on the steps. Let's go take a couple more pictures over by Daddy and then let's go. So pretty. All right, let's go, Nugget. We have to stay over there. Let's go. The cool thing is you never know who you're gonna see down here. These are the characters from Yuletide, and we've actually seen a real reindeer down here. We've seen a Santa on a motorcycle before. We've seen carolers. There's all kinds of people to see. There you go. Go say hi. There's Rudolph. Give me a shot. Right here. Cheese, everybody. Quinn, right here. Look at Daddy. Quinn. Santa on a motorcycle. Yeah. All right, go stand with Santa.
He's even home.
What do you say? Okay, go stand with Santa. We want to get your picture.
Lights.
Okay. Hey, stand with Santa. Okay, wait, let's stay there. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Next, we have some Santa letters that need to be mailed to Santa Claus that are gonna go right over there in the Santa box. We gotta go put them in so Santa gets them in time for Christmas and can write back, all right? Another thing you can do downtown is count the peppermint sticks and the toy soldiers. There are 26 of each. That's kind of a fun activity to see what they're all about. And then over across the street at Christ Church Cathedral, there is a nativity that you can go see. It's really beautiful.